I'm Alan Davidson. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com, and I'm an expert in somatic coaching. Now, in our culture, we place a high emphasis on the mental and the cognitive ability, so that's fairly well developed for most people. And yet, our thoughts can cause a great deal of stress, thus neurosis and psychosis. So what we do as somatic coaches is we help people evaluate where they are at each level of intelligence and then develop a plan for them that begins to accentuate their physical growth, their emotional growth, mental, moral, and spiritual development. And what makes somatics unique to me is that our physical energy is the foundation of the health and development of all the others. Most people tend to neglect their bodies, unless, of course, they're athletes. And there is an assessment and a focus on developing each of those. Anybody who goes to the gym on a regular basis understands that a workout, whether it's lifting weights, doing push-ups, or an aerobic class, or a martial arts class, it gives them a quality of energy and a sense of connectedness and well-being that permeates and affects every other domain in their life.